In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change backup quality in Google Photos. If you want more control over how your photos and videos are stored in the cloud, adjusting your backup quality is an important setting to know. This option affects how much storage your backups use and whether your files are kept in their original quality or compressed to save space. The good news is that the change only takes a moment to make on a desktop or laptop. To begin, open Google Photos on your desktop or laptop. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for your photo backups, since backup settings are tied to the account you're currently using. Once Google Photos is open, give the page a second to load fully so all menu options are visible and easy to access. Next, look for the gear icon, which opens the settings menu. You'll usually find this near the top area of the Google Photos interface. Click that gear icon to enter the settings section. This is where Google Photos lets you manage important preferences related to your library and backups. Once you're in settings, you'll see the option to change your backup quality. From here, you can choose between original quality and storage saver. Original quality keeps your photos and videos closer to the way they were captured, which is ideal if image detail matters to you or if you want the highest possible version backed up. Just keep in mind that this option can use more of your available Google storage. The other option, Storage Saver, reduces file size to help you save cloud storage space while still keeping your photos and videos looking good for everyday use. This is often the better choice if you back up a lot of media and want to make your storage last longer. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you care most about preserving full quality, go with original quality. If saving storage space is more important, select Storage Saver instead. After making your selection, Google Photos will apply that setting for future backups. One helpful thing to remember is that changing this setting affects upcoming uploads rather than automatically replacing the quality of items you've already backed up. So if you're updating this option, you're mainly setting the standard for new photos and videos going forward. And that's all it takes to change backup quality in Google Photos. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your storage and preserve your memories.